Hey, talking about here, and we're gonna be playing Minecraft. This is gonna be a Redstone video, and we're gonna be showcasing the Infinity Railway. So let's get started. Make it as high as it. It's lagging. Make it as high as you want. I'll make it this time. I make a 3 blocks. Make a 3 by 4, so 12 blocks in all. Four long, 3 wide, and the iron block in the middle. Put redstone blocks. When you're done with that, put a command block here. Put a block here. Put a block here. Put a block here. Put redstone torches to make the light for it. Then this side, put this here. This. And then when you get up here, that. Keep on doing this and then break the bottom one so it's like this. Make it all the way across and keep on doing that until you're all the way done. Now, when you're done with this, you're going to put in this code. Whoopsies. Now we're going to be putting this one. Clone space tilty space tilty space -1 space tilty 1 space tilty 3 space tilty 3 space tilty -3 space tilty 4 space tilty -1 space tilty -3. Now when you get that done, get out a minecart. Put a detector rail here, and put a bunch of blocks there. Then when you're done with that, go here and put that there. And then when you do it, there should be another one that should pop up there, but you would put in this one, that -1, 1, 3, -1, 1, 3, 3, -3, right? And then 4. -4, and then tilty -1, tilty So you put in this one, and then I'll go to this one, and you put this here, whoop, another one pop up there. This one pop, this one pop, this one pop. And you can write it to safety or adventureland or something. So that is and that's the Infinity Railway. Bye.